Understanding, come to one's senses, a deep dive into its meaning and usage. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're exploring a fascinating English phrase, come to one's senses. This expression is rich in meaning and often used in both spoken and written English. Understanding it can add depth to your language skills. So let's dive into its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Come to one's senses is a phrase used to describe a moment when a person regains their understanding or awareness of the situation around them, especially after a period of confusion or irrational behavior. It implies a return to a state of logical thinking or recognizing the reality of a situation. When someone comes to their senses, they begin to see things clearly and make better, more rational decisions. The phrase, come to one's senses, has been part of the English language for centuries. It originally stems from the idea of regaining physical sensation or consciousness, but over time, its meaning expanded to include regaining mental awareness and clarity. This evolution reflects the way language adapts to the changing ways we understand and describe human experiences. To help you grasp how to use come to one's senses in real-life situations, here are a few examples. 1. After arguing with her family for weeks, she finally came to her senses and apologized. 2. He was about to make a risky investment but came to his senses just in time to avoid a big mistake. 3. We hope the company will come to its senses and reconsider the decision to lay off so many employees. In each example, the phrase signifies a moment of realization leading to a positive change in behavior or decision-making. Use it when referring to someone acknowledging their mistakes or misjudgments. It's perfect for narrative writing or storytelling to describe a character's moment of realization. Be mindful of the context. It's best used in situations where there is a clear shift from a negative to a more positive or rational state. Come to one's senses is a powerful expression that encapsulates the human experience of realization and change. By understanding and using this phrase, you enrich your English communication with a layer of depth that resonates with the natural human journey from confusion to clarity. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and adds value to your language learning journey. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to diving into more exciting language topics together.